guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's start off with Ngqimasondo preparations right now, okay, because it's the day before. So right now we're gonna go to the preps, and then tomorrow we'll wake up to Ngqimasondo vlog.
Welcome to my world, my life, my family, my friends, my highs, my lows, my ups, my downs, my future, who knows? My dad, pretty laid back. Oh, mama want me always on my case. My sister, pain in the my there's a busy banana. My girls, who knows more than that? Who's got the choice? They come with the package. Ish, we are for that. A JJ, love my life.
And being a little bit rampant. This smile like list. Then for an very bad and she can smile. Command.
Supervisor in motion.
Young supervisor flower. 200 we are shy.
Sendele.
Yebo.
So shutha mina ke manje kosamceli. Yasini. Shuthelwani. Hayi,
Coco Tanson man.
sani bona kwendumela.
Abayizwa ngoma la ekhaya. Asoze, anizwa. Ay, masithi Sambuyile le camera. Hello, Daddy. How you feeling? Daddy, how you feeling? The makotis are here. Andla. Ay. Aniyezwa nina le ngoma. I lived, I loved, I was here. I did, I done everything. Wanted in a morning, I wish you'd be. I will live my life so everyone can know I was here. Woo! You to know that I gave my all. Found someone so happy. Umbondo. after party. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. We're gonna meet on the next vlog, which is the next vlog. Like I say,